Hello everyone and a warm welcome to all of you to the webinar on seamlessly migrating your Tally data to Busy. In today's fast-paced business environment, efficient data migration is crucial for maintaining accuracy, productivity and growth. Whether you are looking to switch from Tally to Busy for enhanced feature, better use experience or more robust reporting capabilities, we understand that the transactions process can seem doubting. In this webinar, we will walk you through the step-by-step process of migrating your data from Tally to Busy, ensure a smooth and error-free transactions. We will cover the necessary preparation, demonstrate the actual data transfer process, and provide tips and best practice to ensure you can start using Busy efficiently from day one. By the end of this session, you will be equipped with the knowledge and confidence to make these important transitions with easy. So let's dive in and unlock the full potential of your business with Busy. So before seeing the utility, I would like to introduce one point that why we should use Busy or why we can use Busy software. Busy is India's #1 GST accounting software to empower SMEs by offering software solutions that are easy to use, having powerful features and also scalable. There are many benefits for using Busy software. Some of them are like you can manage to record your MRP wise and tax inclusive billing. You can manage to get automatic features for e-waybill and e-invoicing generations. You can efficiently handle the complete billing cycles encompassing order, challan, invoicing and quotations. Personalized invoice with logo, signature and QR code is also available. Sharing invoice through SMS, WhatsApp, email feature is also available in Busy. You can get an advanced GST management that include automation features like 2A, 2B reconciliations and many other auto tax adjustment entries. Serial number, batch number, MRP and parameterized features is also available in Busy to manage your inventory. Auto backupping system is also available which you can take in Google Drive also. Sale purchase analysis report with graphical mode, you can get it from Busy software. Now, if you have any recently replaced or you are considering replacing your Tally with Busy, then a common question that comes in our mind that how to convert Tally data into Busy or how you can convert your Tally data into Busy. So don't worry, we have a solution for you. In this session, we'll learn how to migrate your data into Busy from Tally software. Now, let's first look on the challenges and the problems. How to import mid-financial year data from Tally into Busy. Many problems or challenges arises in the market when we discuss with Tally customers that if is it possible to transfer the data in Busy at mid of the financial year, then yes, through Busy you can do it, or through Busy utility you can do it. Chartered accountants or accountant using Tally software, they are refusing to change the software. So in Busy we can provide all the needed reports and all the GST compliances can be easily managed. If you are switching from Tally to Busy, so it's much time to take converting the data. Now Busy has resolved it through a utility called Tally to Busy. You can seamlessly convert your data in a short time. Also, if you need to maintain the balance sheets or if you need to match the balance sheets and GST reports, that can be matched easily through the utility, that is Tally to Busy. Now presenting our solutions, anytime data migrations. As I say is that in middle of the year also you can migrate your data from Tally to Busy through the utility. Time saving efficiency is available. That means in a short time you can easily manage to transfer entire Tally data in Busy. Accurate data transfer. Now if you need to match your Tally data with Busy, if you need to match your balance sheet, if you need to match your trial balance, profit and loss, then the accuracy is proper through the utility called Tally to Busy. Aligning GST reports, all the GST compliances that is available in Busy, that can be handled properly. If you are going to transfer your Tally data in Busy, that can be properly handled in Busy to manage all your GST compliances and reports. Now let's see the practical process, how we can convert our Tally data or how you can convert your Tally data into Busy software. So I will show you step by steps. First, you have to open the company in Tally, and then if the company having 2 financial period, then you can split your data. For splitting, you can go to data section, you can click on the split option to split your data in Tally. Then you need to minimize Tally software over here, and then you need to create a company in Busy. So let me first create a company. And one more thing, that whenever you are going to transfer your Tally data in Busy, make sure that you are using Tally license to convert all your data in Busy. So you need a license for Tally to convert all the Tally data in Busy software. I'm creating a company in Busy. As you can see, I have created a company in Busy. Now I need to install the Tally to Busy utility. And after getting installed, I will get a shortcut icon in the desktop. I can enable that Tally to Busy. From here, I can select the company. So let me open the utility once again. I can select the company from here. Now I can mention the starting date as well as the ending date. Let's suppose I need to convert my data from 1st April to 2nd April. Now you can see masters and vouchers option is showing in this utility screen. You can select both these masters and voucher if you need to import both masters and vouchers in Busy. Now here another option is coming, that is map account group. To this you can easily manage to map your Tally group with Busy group. So here you can see all the groups that are showing. These are all Busy's group, and the list of account group in Tally is showing in this way. If you need to map both the Tally group and Busy group, you can click on this option auto map. So system or this utility will automatically map if same group appear both in Tally column as well as in Busy column, then it will map automatically. Now here another option is showing that retain this list. What does this mean? Retain this list means if you split selected, then after getting mapping with both your Busy and Tally group, still the group will show in the Busy column. The Busy group will show in the Busy column, because if you need to put the Tally group or the account group in Tally to be mapped on that Busy group once again, then you can map it. Let's say for example you need to map this deposit asset under post current asset. Under current asset you can easily map it. Okay, if you click over here, it will get mapped. That means after getting mapped, still the group will appear over here. Let's show once again. If you untick this, retain this list, and you then click this auto map, then you will see the differentiation between selecting and unselecting this retain this list. That means the group will get mapped, and this group will also get omitted from this screen or from this column. Okay, so by default it remains selected, so that you can put multiple Tally group under single Busy group also. Okay, so if I click on this auto map, I press OK button. Now you can see my Tally company showing over here, because I have opened the Tally company and I have minimized the Tally software over here. So that's why I can get the Tally company showing in this screen. It's a simple and easiest process that I'm showing right now. And through this new utility, it has been much easier for an operator also to transfer the Tally data in Busy. If you click on this transfer button, you can see the process is going to be started. Now you can see the voucher import has been done successfully. Now let me show you how the data has been matched. If you go to Busy, and in Busy, if you open the company, now let me show you the trial balance first. So if I go to Tally first, and if I want to see the trial balance, go to trial balance in Tally, and I can see the value is showing in the trial balance. Now similar way, if I go to Busy, if I want to see the trial balance, I can see it from display options. Under display, I can go to trial balance. If I want to see trial balance group wise, I click balance only, and I mention the end date, and I press OK button to see the trial balance. You can see in Tally your current liability is showing 900. Okay, in Busy also your current liability is showing 900. Okay, so under current liability showing the ledger name, the group name. This is the main group and this is the subgroup in Busy. So it's showing under duties and taxes, but the total current liability is 900. Similar way, in Tally, you will see the sales amount account is showing 5,000. In Busy also, you can see the revenue account is showing total 5,000, under which includes the sales account. The purchase account is showing 10,000. In Tally also, the purchase account is showing 10,000. And the current asset is showing in the debit side is showing 55,900. In the credit side, it's showing 61,800. Let me show you in Busy. Current asset, you can see the sundry data is showing 5,900 and bank account is showing 50,000. That means total is showing 55,900. and similar way cash in hand it's showing 61,800. So if you go to tally, if you press enter under current asset, you will see the stock sundry data is showing 5900 and the bank account is showing 50,000. That is similarly showing in busy also. Bank account 50,000, sundry data is showing 5900 and the cash in hand is showing 61,800, 61,800, and similar way it's showing in tally also 61,800. Now let me show you balance sheet also. You go to balance sheet. If I show you in busy also, now you can see your profit and loss for the previous period is showing 3,000. In tally, let me check. Here it's also showing profit and loss for the period is 3,000. Current liability is showing 900 and current asset is showing 2,100. In busy also is showing current liability 900 and current asset is showing 2,100. So I see the profit and loss. Let me see in tally also. In profit and loss, the purchase accounting is showing 10,000. In tally, if I see in busy, purchase account is showing 10,000. The sales account is showing 5,000. In tally, the sales account is also showing 5,000. Closing stock is showing 8,000. In busy, the closing stock is also showing 8,000. So gross profit, or you can say the net profit, is 3,000. Here in tally also you can see the net profit is showing 3,000. So you can see the statutory report has been matched with tally as well as with busy also. Now if I show you the GST reports, busy, you can see the GST compliances also has been done. If you go to GST report, if you go to GST summary, if you go to see the GST summary report, from here you can see the entries, the input GST, the output GST. If you press enter, from here you can get the entries detail also, the purchase entry that I have done in tally that has been captured in busy. The GST compliances also has been in care in busy. Similar way, you can get other returns form like GSTR1 or GSTR2. If you go to see the GSTR1, you can see the GSTR1 report also. From here you can see the entries have been done in B2C mode section. It has been updated. So I've done a sale entry in tally, so that entry has been captured in busy. So how efficiently and how easily and smoothly the data has been transferred from tally to busy in this new utility called tally to busy utility. So busy has introduced this in a easiest way so that the operator can also manage to transfer the data without taking any technical help or without taking much technical help to transfer the data from tally to busy. So this is the process and the utilities that I have shared with all of you.